A state appellate judge just about 20 minutes ago allowing Governor Kathy Hochul's indoor mask mandate to remain in effect for now. The appeal filed today after a lower court judge in Nassau County overturned this rule last night.
Let's talk about that. Court documents show the judge last night ruling any such order would have come from the state legislature, and the governor no longer has emergency powers. The governor addressed the ongoing legal battle at the state fairgrounds today. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan was there, joins us now to bring us up to speed on everything that's been happening. So what's the governor saying today about the mask mandate?
Well, Christy, just as soon as the governor's office cleaned up her backdrop here in the Fairgrounds Expo Center, this ruling came from an appellate court associate justice out of Brooklyn who reheard this case on an emergency basis, rehearing the decision that was made last night in Nassau County from the state Supreme Court, a lower level court. Last night it was determined that the state governor cannot mandate masks without legislative approval. This temporary decision means the masks will still be required as the legal process plays itself out. So this is just a temporary decision right now, basically suggesting to New Yorkers follow the rules as they originally intended as the different judges and different lawyers look into the legality of the decision. But the governor has stood by her decision from the very beginning. She said those words again today at the state fairgrounds, that masks keep people safe. It's the reason that schools in New York were able to open as regularly as they have back in September. That spread is being reduced because students, vaccinated or not, have to wear masks. She said today that parents should continue to send their kids to school with a mask until this court decision is final.
I'm encouraging parents and students to continue doing what they're doing, because the last thing I want to see is a different trend because people gave up on the masks early. Now, I am so looking forward to the day to say these are history. We don't have to do this any longer. All of us are. I don't want to keep any requirements for safety in place a day longer than necessary, but I will not do it a day before we can do it safely.
Literally a moment ago, we have a statement from Governor Kathy Hochul in my email. I'm going to peruse it so I don't waste anyone's time. These measures are critical tools to prevent the spread of COVID-19. I commend the Attorney General for her defense of the health and safety of New Yorkers and applaud the appellate division for siding with common sense and granting an interim stay to keep the state's important masking regulations in place. She ends with, "We will not stop fighting to protect New Yorkers, and we are confident we will continue to prevail." The governor said she's excited for those masks to come off, but won't allow them to come off a day too early, as you heard from her. Live at the fairgrounds, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.